Hello, good day, my dear employer. My name is Annalyn Pasaylo. I live in Vito Sagay City, Negros Occidental. I am 43 years old. I'm married but separated. I have three daughters, ages 15, 16, and 23. My working experience is in Kuwait, last 2011 to 2013. My main duties are ironing, washing clothes, cooking, washing cars. I'm also working in Malaysia. I'm taking care of four children, ages 2, 7, 9, and 12. My main duties and responsibilities are taking care of children, washing clothes, ironing, fetching them to the school, cooking, and house cleaning. I also working in Hong Kong last 2018 to 2020. I'm taking care of kids and pets. I'm taking care of the 2 years old and the 7 years old girl. My main duties are taking care of children, cooking, car washing, gardening, washing clothes, and cleaning the house. I also have another employer in Hong Kong, was 2021 to 2022. I'm taking care of pets, one dog, two parrots, and the children, 7 years old. And my main duties is cooking, teaching the child and the school, washing car, cleaning the house. My dear employer, please take me as your helper because I promise to serve you and to do my duties and responsibilities. I am a hardworking and honest person. Hope you will see you soon.